capable. I am peace. I am joy. I am worthy. I love myself the way I am. I accept every part of myself. Every aspect of my existence is lovable. Every aspect of myself is lovable. My existence is a gift to the world and myself. I embrace a positive outlook about myself. Each day, I am growing and moving in the direction of my desires. I am on the journey to know myself. I am loved. I am limitless. I am a unique part of the entire universe. I am deserving. I am greatness. I give love. I receive love. I look within myself for all I desire. I am learning that I am my greatest teacher. I am learning that I am my greatest teacher. I understand that I am the author of my own life. I am accepting my opinion of myself. I am not tainted by the opinions of others or their perspectives of me. I define myself, my worth, my power, and my intention each day. I am loving. I am grateful. I am lovely. I am enough. I am confident. I am great. I am strong. I am interested. I am interesting. I am powerful. I am beautiful. I am worthy of love. I am full of gratitude. I am a positive light. I am a bright light. I am kind. I am myself. I am eternally loved. I am an eternal being. I am expansive. I am a unique perspective of God. I am a spiritual being having a human experience. All that I experience is for my growth. All that I experience is for my highest good. All all that I experience is designed by me. I adore myself. I respect myself. I value myself. I revere myself. I accept myself. I listen to myself. I love myself. Ashe.